you ever stumbled upon images like these on social media and wondered how the hell do I create one for my own code snippets? So maybe you want to share your code snippets with your friends or on the social media, and you might be wondering how to do that. And in this video, I'll show you how to do the same right within your Visual Studio Code. So it's going to be a fairly simple process. Watch this video till the end and you will learn how to generate images like these for your own code snippets. So let's get started. Let me just close this up. What you need to do is you need to go to the extensions tab, and in here you need to search for codeSnap, and you need to make sure that you are installing the codeSnap extension from AdPike. So this is important. Click on install. After it's installed, what you can do is close this tab. Let me just close the sidebar as well. And then you need to press Command Shift P if you're on Mac, Control Shift P if you're on Windows. Then search for codeSnap and you'll see this command. Click on it and you can see this window pops up on my right hand side of the screen. And right now there's nothing, just these three dots. But what we can do is we open up the file whose code we want to be seen in this image, and we select the part of code snippet that we want to appear in that image. You can see as soon as I select the code, it gets populated in this image. And one good thing about this extension is that you can also adjust the width. So you can drag it until you are satisfied with the width of the image and click it. It's going to take a photo of your code snippet and save it as an image. Now I can click on save and it will be saved on my hard disk. So it's as simple as that. Now I can take that image and upload it on my social media or share it with my friends. How cool is that? So yeah, this is it. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.